Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about the interval loading or intermittent loading of resources. Sometimes we need resource on a certain days, not throughout the duration of activity. For example, when we are casting the slab, we need the concrete pump only for 1 day or 2 days, but the duration of the activity may be of 10 days. So maybe we need the pump on the 8th day. For that, we need to assign it accordingly. Similarly, if we are talking about the plaster work, we may need the scaffolder at the start of the activity to form a formwork or platform for the workers, and at the end of the activity to remove the scaffolding. So for this type of activities, we will assign the labor, scaffolder and mason. This activity is of 12 days, but I need the mason throughout the activity, labor throughout the activity, but scaffolder is needed in interval at the start and then at the finish. For that, I will again assign a scaffolder. Now, the original duration here means that this scaffolder will be working 12 days on plasterwork activity, but I need 2 days of scaffolders at the start and then 1 day at the end. So for this, I have set the duration, but you can see that the budgeted units remain same, but the remaining rate of units over time has been changed. So I will also adjust the budgeted units. For this, I will take 8 hours a day, so it will make 16 budgeted units, and for this it will be 8 budgeted units. So now here comes the tricky part. I do need to use resource lag. I will be using this at the start, so with 0 lag, but since I again need a scaffolder at the end of the activity, so I will be using this 1 day of scaffolder with 9 days lag. Sorry, it will be 11 days since the activity is of 12 days. So this is how we will assign the scaffolder. Now let me show you the resource usage profile. Here you can see that the scaffolder is only assigned on 3 days. 2 days are at the start here and 1 day is at the end of the activity of plasterwork. So this is how we can load the resources. Similarly, we can also assign the concrete pump in case of casting slab, or maybe drilling machine in case of piling. So this is how it's done. Thank you.